Good morning, student. Today my topic name is the deserts. Deserts क्या होते हैं? Deserts occupy about 1/3 of the Earth's surface. They are mainly found around the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn in the northern and southern hemispheres. This region receives less than 250 millimeter of rain a year. पूरे साल में इन्हें 250 millimeter से भी कम रेन मिलती है. The rainfall pattern is not a seasonal one. Types of deserts in India. Deserts are usually dry, however, not all of them are hot. There are three types of deserts: hot, cold, and white desert. Hot desert. The Thar Desert. The Thar Desert is a partially rocky and partially sandy region. It is known also as the Great Indian Desert. It is located to the west of Aravalli Hills in Rajasthan and to the west of northern plains. It covers major part of Rajasthan and extends up to Pakistan. Luni is the only major river flowing in this region. Small hills of sand called sand dune in Thar Desert. The hot desert include the Sahara and the Kalahari deserts in Africa, the Atacama Desert in South America, the Mexican Desert in Mexico, and the Great Sandy Desert in Australia. Cold Desert. Ladakh is a cold desert in India. It lies in the Great Himalayas on the eastern side of Jammu and Kashmir. The cold deserts are found in the polar region around the Arctic and Antarctic circles. The Mongolian desert has an average temperature below freezing point for about half the year. In Antarctica, the winter temperature is -30 degrees Celsius. White Desert. The Rann of Kutch is known as world's largest salt desert. It is located in the northern region of Gujarat. It is basically a salt desert that looks white in appearance, hence called as the White Desert. ये जो है एक तरह से सफेद नमक से ऐसे ढका होता है, जिसके कारण इसका नाम व्हाइट डेजर्ट रखा गया है. It has an area of 7500 square kilometer and it is a part of Thar Desert. The climate of the desert. Deserts का यहाँ का climate कैसा होता है? There is little or no rainfall. Desert regions remains hot and dry throughout the year. During summers, the days are very hot and nights are cooler because sand heats up very fast and cools down quickly. In winter, the days are pleasant but the nights are very cold. Plant life and vegetation. Trees do not grow in the desert because the climate is very hot and dry and it rains little. Some plants have long roots that can reach deep within the soil to obtain water, while others have branched roots to get water over a wide area. Some plants have needles like leaves to reduce water loss. Such leaves also protect them from grazing animals. It has scattered bushes and thorny shrubs at some places. Examples: pipe cactus, fairy duster, Mormon tea, palm and kikar. Animals and birds. A large variety of animals, birds and insects such as camel, foxes, hyenas, hedgehogs, snakes, spiders and scorpions are found in the hot desert. To avoid the heat, some small animals live in underground shelters where the temperature is much lower than that on the surface. Camel, ship of the desert. Camel को रेगिस्तान का जहाज कहा जाता है. Camel is called the ship of the desert because it can move easily on the sand, is used as the chief means of transport in a desert. It has padded hooves that do not sink into the sand. The camel has a lump of fat in its hump. The fat provides nourishment to the body when there is no water to drink. Camels can survive with very little food and water if the need arises. Human life in the desert. Desert के लोगों का रहन सहन कैसा होता है? Human population in the desert is very sparse. Life in a desert is very hard. People do not get enough water to fulfill their needs. The people of Thar Desert in Rajasthan wear colorful clothes. Men wear dhoti, kurta and turban. Women wear ghagra, choli and orni. People live near the oasis as the land around it is fertile. Many people in the desert lead a nomadic life. The nomads of the Thar desert is called Banjaras. People mostly rear sheep, goats, camel and cattle in the region. Near the wet patches, people grow crops like jowar, bajra, maize and wheat. The main festival of Rajasthan are Gangor, Teej, Dussehra and Diwali. Thank you. Make sure to subscribe. Please like कीजिए. Be happy and be safe.